Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this photo was quite difficult to capture because it was at an angle. For some reason angles throw me off slightly. I try my best to try and capture all the proportions and the contours and everything, and sometimes I get it, sometimes I don't. So I actually didn't think I got it in these ones, and like a couple of videos previous to this one, I didn't think I actually got it. However, in looking at it now, I don't know what I was thinking. I think I actually did manage to capture the overall effect. This one took 2 minutes 15 seconds, and these number 2 and number 3 took 1.5 minutes, which I am really delighted with. It shows that my speed and accuracy and proportions are improving, and the skill level is increasing, and I'm just really happy with my progress. Basically, please have a look at the previous videos. You will see what I mean and how I approached different areas of the face, specifically the eyes. I used to heavily focus on the eyes and create heavy lines. I'll show you. That's a previous, like about a year ago, maybe. No, that's the September. So that is, oh, how many months ago was that? Oh geez. So geez, eight months ago. So that shows you I didn't actually have that learning method, but you can see where I was heavily focusing on the eyes and then the nose, creating massive amount of lines compared to a very basic outline, which is what you want for the first layer of an art piece, which is just capturing the initial outline and proportions so that you can then go on to create the art piece, and you know that the proportions and everything are all set. So yeah, contact me if you don't know what I'm talking about, and I shall see you next time. Bye guys.